Hell, sorry, I lost my thingy. Anyways, I got my Tiger Cube. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. Yeah, this is my Tiger Cube. I lost my sign, so I can't exactly, Okay, Tiger Cube. No, he's all shuffled up. Okay, I'm gonna try to solve this. Sorry. No, but okay, let's see. So that's okay. This is a little hard. Okay, let's see. No, how do I present this? How do I turn this? No. Okay. No. Yes, it's good. It's good. Okay. Do I put this there? Yay. I don't want to. It's so hard. Don't I know it's there? Oh, wait, no, okay, that would be good. This is so hard. Okay, how do you? I'm so happy that my Tiger Cube came. I thought it'd be a lot bigger, but just seeing how, look how small it is, that is just so sad. I thought it'd be a lot bigger. Okay, if you guys weren't here, I would be really frustrated. See, would this piece go there? Yes, and yeah, okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna guess that you go there. Yes, you do. No. No, dear. Oh, did I mess up? No, I'm just gonna try again. It's so hard to tell if the pieces are in the correct place. This is a new shape-shifting cube I have. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in. Oh, I can't believe it. Okay, this is sorry if you heard some sound, but you probably didn't. I'm just gonna make this face. Literally, making the face. Sorry if you heard some sound. You know what? I don't want to have to waste some time. But wait. How can you make a face a little? Sorry, there's some sound in the background, but you know what? I don't want to. This is so hard. I'm gonna face with this little tiger. But yeah, if you guys are listening, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.